I think, you know, what this whole discussion has been about innovation, and I think that, you know, if you walk away from this discussion with anything, it should be that the pace of disruption and the pace of change is only increasing. And the scope and impact of that change is only increasing. That means that what we need from our employees and our new hires and the people coming out of schools and whatever that background might be, that's going to keep changing as well. Certainly, 50 years ago, you needed to learn some very technical information in school, and you would carry that with you for a lot of your career. That technical information would sort of be your the value that you took from schooling, and then you kept that value with you as you went through your career. And I think most people understand that's not really, everything changes so fast now that anything you learn technically in school is going to be outdated in, you know, some number of years after you leave school. So it's the question of, to me, the question is, can you connect dots? Can you synthesize information? So I love interviewing people who have had a bunch of disparate experiences, and they're able to see how the dots connect between those experiences. So they're able to see, you know, how is the apparel supply chain just like the lighting supply chain, right? Or how is just that kind of, how is, for me, I brought a really bizarre background to the trade association world. We have members. We don't have customers, quote unquote. We have members, but really they're the same thing. And when I think of member value and what we do for our membership, it's exactly the same as if you're talking about customers and what value do you deliver to your customers. Our transactions slightly different, et cetera, but it's that ability to take these different experiences you've had and not silo them, not see them as totally siloed and different from everything else, but see how they all interconnect and see all the lessons you can learn from each of those that might apply across these other situations, because that's what's going to drive all of the innovation and all of the disruption we've been discussing, is the staff and the employees and the people on the front lines who can make all of those interesting connections intellectually and bring those into the organization that they're working for and say, you know, I just saw this really cool connection between this and this that didn't seem like they were related, but it turns out they are, and here's the insight that we can glean from that. And anybody at any level of the organization can have those kinds of insights that can be incredibly powerful.